Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and here I am showing you the next card class available for you. And this one is featuring the brand new stamp set called A Good Man, which I thought this is really cute. I think that you can do so many other things. You can also do some coloring. You can use your blends, of course, watercoloring. I mean, you name it. You can color those guys in different ways or techniques. But the class today, I really wanted to keep it simple so that you can create a lot of cards, especially masculine cards that I get requests over and over. And so I just wanted to keep it simple. I didn't want it to be overwhelming. I probably will be doing another class just for either watercoloring or coloring with blends. But for this one, I wanted to make it simple and yet something that you can do that you can feel so proud to give it to your guys of your life. I love these two images the best, obviously because I have a little daughter and I have a little son, and I thought this will be so great for any cards where my little Addie and Ollie gives to their dad. So anyway, so this is this is one of my favorites. So let me just go over the different options that I have. Option one, and you can see all 6 projects. So option one is the one that includes everything, okay? And this option has the stamp set. It includes the make and take and all the video tutorials to make all these 6 projects. And let me just tell you, I always do video tutorials because I always feel like you get the most of the value out of that. I can share more of the tips of how I make it. You can see it right there. I think you just end up learning a lot more than just written instructions. So I always do video tutorials with all of these classes. So anyway, so the option one, like I said, is the one that includes the stamp set, a full pack of the frosted clear epoxy droplets, and then a full spool of the burlap ribbon, and that option is $71. Now this option already includes $8 shipping, so I ship everything priority, and there's always a tracking number. So the 71 already includes the shipping to you. Now the option 2 is for those of you who might have already purchased this stamp set. Maybe you fall in love like me right when that catalog came out and you already got this one. So no worries, I have you covered. You can still get the make and take as well as the video tutorials for all 6 projects. You get the droplets as well as the burlap ribbon, and that option is $49. And then the last option is for those of you who do not want me to send you the make and take. You can do all the cutting. You have all the supplies. You have all the paper. You have all the embellishments and the stamp set. And so that option is $20. So those are the 3 options that you have. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll put more information on the description of this video. And so I would really appreciate all your support as always. And I will be more than happy to see you in the classroom. So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.